Okay, take note, we are coming to those questions where in part 1, they will always ask us to differentiate. Part 2, you will always make use of the answer to integrate back. Alright, so something that I would like you to take note is, okay, for such question, there are 2 steps that we adopt. If we need to integrate back, that means we integrate the answer from part 1 backwards. Similarly, what do we need to do? I need to make the question that is given the subject. So I need to do a little bit of manipulation and rearrangement. Okay? So as mentioned, if I look at part 1, I wouldn't want to simplify anymore. I just want to use product rule immediately. Differentiate the first, keep the second, plus differentiate the second, keep the first. After using the product rule for differentiation, I will simplify the terms. So group the like terms together and simplify. Okay, then we have our differentiation for part 1. Apology. So this will be our differentiation for part 1. Okay, remember the trick. Once you get to the answer and they look similar, see, the term here looks similar, I'm actually quite happy. So remember the 2-step approach. I integrate the answer backwards and make the question the subject. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm going to do next. I need to integrate backwards. Remember, if I integrate, very simple, I will get back my original answer. But remember to indicate a plus C. Alright, the question given is a 5 over here, but what I have is a negative 2. So I need to transform the negative 2 to a 5. So what do I need to do? Very simple. The number that is given to me, if I do not want, I need to divide by it. Alright, so I divide by the number that I do not want. But it's very clear, I want the number 5. Because that is the question given. So I multiply by 5. But the thing is, I cannot just do it on the left side of the equation. I must also do it on the right side of the equation. So I do same. But I need to put a big square bracket. So everything on the left, I multiply by 5 over negative 2. Everything on the right, I multiply by 5 over negative 2. What I need to do is to simplify all the red numbers into the bracket, which is your 5 over negative 2. So after you multiply the 5 over negative 2 into the terms, you realize I have this term over here. Teacher, this constant here look very awkward. It's just a constant number. Rather than seeing it as multiplied by a number, I can change it to another C1. So I can just replace it with a C1. Then I double check. My original question is this one. Now, I have evolved to this. It's still the same question. So we are done for this particular whole question. Alright?